Hello friends, myself Sandesh Kesarinath Rao. How are you doing? In my last video, we spoke about thoughts, how thought work along with Panchamahabhuta, how to remove clutter from someone's mind, how to store only those thoughts which are actionable, how to handle any situation in life, not to react but to retort the situation, and how to get rid of all the negativities and keep brain memory free for new creation. Today we will see where to keep all those actionable thoughts and keep brain memory free for new creation. Here you may remind one saying, empty mind is devil's workshop. Friend, this is negative thought. When we are creation of God, how come God himself will keep empty space for devil to work against us? This is our negative thought. We allows devil to start his work, and devil will continuously give us negative thoughts, negative feelings, negative environment and negative energy. God is always ready to give us positive thought, positive environment, positive energy. God is always ready to give us everything in abundance. But we don't keep empty space in our brain for new creation. Now tell me, what is the main function of the brain? You may say main function of the brain is to control all body functions, balancing our body and so on. All these are biofunctions whereby brain become king of our body. But the main function of the brain is honoring your word, whereby you become king. Now in a time, many thought that comes in our mind and brain listen to it as your order and brain follows it. When you say, I can't do this, then brain will listen to it as your order and brain will create so many proofs to prove how you cannot do it. And when you say, I can do this, then also brain will listen to it as your order and brain will give many supportive proofs so that you can do it easily. And also along with this, brain will create new ideas so that you can do not only easily, but you can complete your targets in time. Now you may say, I am very much busy doing lot of work. I have to complete targets, attend a lot of meetings. It is absolutely not possible to keep brain memory free as I am overloaded with so many thoughts. Here I can say, as I remind you what I said earlier, you should have empty space in your brain so that brain will work with full of energy. When any thoughts comes in your mind, make a practice of noting it down immediately. Many times it happens that fantastic thought comes in your mind and you want to share with someone. Suppose you are in the office and you want to share that idea with your boss, which maybe increase the productivity of the office. But you think right now, let me complete my work, which I want to complete it immediately. And thereafter I will go to meet the boss. But when after completion of the work, when think of going to the boss, you forget for what you want to meet the boss. You try hard, but you fail. For this, create one folder by the title thought and store all the thoughts which are actionable. That may be paying your mobile bill, going to the bank or buying something from the market. Make a practice of noting it down immediately. If you don't do this, that may be loss of opportunity. So create this folder. Either you keep, I will give you one solution, that is systematic thought management process. It works on the principle of nothing to keep in mind, pen it down. Keep one pen and pad with you, or you can use notes feature from our mobile phone. Now after collecting all these thoughts in thought folder, next day morning when you start the work, take out some time to work on this list and create 3 folders. First folder by the title work to do today and store all these things on which you need to take action immediately. Then the second folder by the title weekly. Store all these things on which you need to take action between day 2 and day 7. Of course, along with the date of completion. And the rest of the things in the third folder on which you need to take action 8th day onward. Now, after creating all these 3 folders, when you start working on day 2 work to do today folder, after completion of the work, if you have some spare time, then look into the second folder, see which work you can do it today itself. If possible, then take out that work from folder 2 to folder 1, that is work to do today, complete that work. And after completion of the work, mark a tick as completion or delete that from your folder. Of course, simultaneously store all those actionable thought in thought folder. Make a practice of doing it every day. After continuously doing it, that will become habit and you will find fantastic results of using this system. You will find lot of time and energy you are saving. You will get lot of respect from other people. You will have time for new creativity and you will be more relaxed. So friends, start using this systematic thought management process and pen it down system in your day-to-day life and get fantastic results. Friends, today I gave you just a glimpse of it. If you want to know more about it, please call me on 99875 It's all for today. If you like this video, please press like button. Also subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the notifications. You can share this video with your friends and relatives so that they will be also benefited. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.